Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome. It's nice to have you back. So guys, we've been designing this beautiful wedding dress. This is the part 2 video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed immediately. So here I have stitched my zip earlier. So we have the excess at the bottom. I'm just going to be cutting this off, but before doing that, I'll make sure I measure from the end of where I stopped stitching to the bottom area. I'll measure about 2 inches, then I'll cut it off on 2 inches. And here guys, I'm going to be trimming off the excess of my appliques. I'll be using my appliques to design the wedding dress. So I'll just be trimming off all the excess on the sides, and I'll be cutting my appliques in different shapes and sizes in order to suit the wedding dress the way I want to design it. And here we go guys, this is what it looks like after stitching my cups to the net. It looks beautiful and it's in place, is well placed. Then I connected my net to the skirt part of my fabric, and this is what it looks like generally from the top down. So you can see guys, and here is what our center back looks like. You can see the zip is well placed. Also, we attached the net to the skirt. You can see the back is looking nicely placed. So I'm just going to be holding this up a little bit on both sides before placing my applique. So this is our center back guys. You can see the train looking, very nice. So here I'm just placing my appliques just the way it will come out nice on the net area, covering the bust area around first of all before going to the center back area. Now when placing your appliques, you have to make sure you're placing it rightly. You're covering the areas you really wish to cover. So here I'll be placing it nicely, and also I'll be covering all the areas I wish to cover. I really don't wish to reveal so much on this dress. I will just place it nicely, and anywhere it doesn't fit the way I want to, I will just cut off the excess and I'll use my pins to secure it. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see guys, our dress is taking shape, and we'll proceed with the other side.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff and you wanna be my friend.
So here guys, I'll just trim off my appliques, you know, before placing them on my cup, and I'm going to be placing them nicely. You know, I'm not just going to be revealing so much today, I'm just going to be covering them in a nice way, you know, make sure it comes out nice. So for a bridal job guys, make sure you put your job first and make sure you do a nice job. I know it's not easy guys to hand stitch this at the end of the day, placing it, but it's beautiful doing it. And here, looking at it, I think I'm just going to extend to the bottom area. I want to design from the top and a bit down towards the hip area, so when the bride stands towards the hip area, it's going to have some appliques on the side.
I can help you out, I can help you Look. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
And also on the other side of the hip, I'll be placing my appliques. I want the both sides to look alike and, you know, well placed. So the both sides of the hip, like the hip sides, are looking nice, and, you know, appliques all over from the top down towards the hip area, guys.
I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
I'll also be checking both sides to make sure they both look alike, and the same thing it's here is the same thing that is on the other side. So I'll be checking that if I need to add to it, if I need to reduce it. So I'll be making sure I put all that into consideration before securing it with my pins.
I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
If you're new to this channel and you like what we do, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also your comments are welcome. Thank you, guys. And here we go, guys. This is what the center back looks like. So guys, I'll see you soon. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. I enjoy making this dress. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Call my bluff and you